One eternity later.
And there you have it, the brand new MacBook Pro with the M1 Pro chip. For my configuration, I went with the 14-inch for portability purposes. I upgraded to the 10-core CPU. I kept the 16 gig of UNIM 5 memory the same. And I upgraded to the 1 terabyte of SSD storage. The grand total came out to be $2,499 before tax. If you're a student or a teacher, you can take advantage of the education discount. That same configuration you saw earlier will be $200 less. Let's see what we have here. Obviously, this is the MacBook. Take a look at this. There's a little weird circular ring on there. Reminds me of that little arc reactor, I think, on Tony Stark's chest.
This is your legacy. A new generation of weapons. With this at its heart.
I'm gonna put this aside here. Let's see what they have here for accessories. The little manual packet, little MacBook manual. Let's see. It would just show you how to turn on the MacBook, how many ports it has. Very informational. I don't know what that is. Ooh, the infamous Apple sticker. It's matte black this time. Well, usually it's gray, but now it's matte black. I don't know why they changed it. We have the MagSafe cable. Wow, I'm loving it. It's braided instead of that hard plastic that they used to have. So you can hear it. Here. Wow, very, very, very durable. You can put that down. Here's the power brick. I have the mid-tier power brick because I kind of upgraded from the 67 watt USB power adapter. I have the 96 watt power adapter. There is a beefier one of the 16-inch MacBook, and that is the 140 watt power adapter. But I just have the mid-size one. Not going to throw that down. I'm just going to set it down there. Put down the box. I'll open this bad boy up. Here's the ring again. It's what I told you guys about. It is chunky. I used to have the 2015 MacBook Pro. It's not as, it doesn't, it may be the same weight. I'm not sure. I have to check that out. We can look at the left-hand side. They have the MagSafe. That's one of my favorite features in here. They have 2 Thunderbolts and a headphone jack. On the right-hand side, they have the SD card slot, 1 Thunderbolt, and an HDMI. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Right away, you can see the notch on the top here. I guess it's not as noticeable because I've been using an iPhone for so long that the notch is up there. So it looks normal to me. So it's not distracting or it's not in the way or anything like that. And in the keyboard right down here, you can see they got rid of that touch bar. A lot of people have been complaining that there's not a lot of functionality to the touch bar. So Apple removed that. The key, it feels really nice. It's not as tic-tacky as your mechanical keyboard and like a gaming computer or anything like that. That's it, guys. That concludes our review of the physical layer of the MacBook Pro. I'm very impressed by the build quality of this, the design. I'm very excited to start editing on this video and my future videos. I'm also excited on trading stocks when I'm on the go. This is a new channel, so if you have any video ideas, please provide your comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I'll see you on the future videos. Oh, man, I need a newer stand.